Hi everyone, this is Yet from the Tech Channel and welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm gonna talk today about how you can actually stop using iCloud to back up your photos, your videos, and more information. Today specifically, I'm gonna talk about the photos and videos. If you just go to photos and videos, you will see actually a lot of videos here. And every time, like, that's so annoying that iPhone will tell you you don't have a lot of more space, you need to upgrade the iCloud account. But we don't need to pay, and we have also another options that allow us to back up all our photos and videos and for free. So the best way I see, from my opinion, it's to use Google Photos. Google Photos, of course, you can download it from App Store. This way, by the way, is not just like for iPhone, or you can also use it on Android, on Samsung, or any other. But on Android, it's difficult. It is defaultly buy. So just go to here and type Google Photo, as you see here, and you will have it here. Just click here and download it if you don't have it. So now after you download it, just get here, get to inside it, and as you see, this is the app and how he looks like. Of course, every time they update it, then you will have a new version, then maybe it will be like a different, a little bit from this shape, how it looks like. Of course, here we have a few. Just click on the right tab on the left, as I did, like here. Then you will see there is something. Then you can create album, share album, movie, animation, colleagues, photo books, and layout. So this is not our things today. But here, if you just press here, then you will see actually that you can add your Google account. Of course, you need to use Google account. You can't use Hotmail account or any other service. You need to use a Gmail account, a Google account. Here you can also use different also accounts from Google. And as you see here, you can, as you see here, there is archive, there is pin, there is free up space, manage your library settings, and as you see here, Google Apps photo scan. First of all, we're gonna go to settings, and as you see here, settings. The first option we have backup and sync. Backup and sync. As you see here, you have this option, backup and sync. If you just activate it, then you can actually choose which email that you need to back up all your photos and videos on. Here also you can also buy more storage. Here also you have those options. You can use mobile data to back up photos, and also you can have mobile data to back up videos. But I personally just back up them when I'm connected on the Wi-Fi. Here you can choose if you want also to use high quality photos or videos or original. So you have also, you can choose actually between them. It depends on you. Manage device and storage. Here you can have also, like as I mentioned, or as we saw at the beginning, free up space. This I will tell you about it, and the rest is just notifications, suggestions, Siri shortcut, memories, sharing, and a lot of those. More option: remove videos from motion photos. You have also remove go location in item shared, Google location history, Google Lens. Like you have like extra option. If you just come here and press on free up space, will actually know instead of you that all your photos is backupped, and then you can actually delete them. So then you just come here and free up your space, and he will, as you see here, delete 3 items from device to free up space. So you can delete them, but you need after that to go to photos, and then you need to recently deleted, and as we know, select delete all, then you can delete them all, and then you are finished. So but now Google Photos, how you can know actually that the photos or the videos you had on your device, it's backed. So as you see here, there is no any symbol on the picture, but if you have a symbol like this one here, then this photo is just waiting you to backup, to make a backup for it. But if you see like this photo, there is no any icon on it or symbol, so this photo is backed. So this is so simple. For me, I use it. You can also like add more than one account, and you still don't pay anything. Your photos is safe. Of course, if you are from those people they forget the password and email, be sure to write the email and password on, like maybe on paper or whatever. Then you can actually remember it and use it later, or just come back maybe you when you are gonna actually recover your settings or upgrade to a new system. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoy my videos, please feel free to support me and donate for me via the PayPal or Patreon, and give a like, share, subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. This is Ziad from ZTech. Peace.